What's going on with cable? GBP/USD is a battlefield right now, and we're diving into the charts to see who has the upper hand, the bulls or the bears. Looking at the recent market action, the overall sentiment is leaning heavily bearish. Many traders are positioning for a slide, with charts showing clear downtrends and successful short positions. The initial reaction to recent economic data, like the UK CPI numbers, saw a quick spike upwards that was aggressively sold off, confirming the seller's grip on the market. The key selling zone appears to be the resistance area around 1.3450 up to 1.3470. Many traders identified this level as a prime spot to initiate short trades, anticipating a rejection and a move lower. We saw price push into this area before reversing sharply, trapping anyone who bought the breakout and rewarding those who were waiting to sell. The momentum has been to the downside since, with the pair breaking through several minor support levels. However, it's not a one-sided story. As the price drops, it's approaching some critical support zones where buyers might be looking to step in. A notable group of traders is watching the area around 1.3380 and 1.3390. They see this as a potential floor where the pair could find its footing. Some are even anticipating a liquidity sweep, a final sharp dip below this support to clear out sellers before a potential reversal. One particularly bullish long-term analysis suggests that this entire downward move could be the final leg of a major correction, setting the stage for a powerful rally if support holds. So, let's summarize the key takeaways. First, the dominant short-term trend is clearly bearish. Sellers have been in control, and resistance around 1.3450 has proven to be a formidable barrier. Second, we are now testing significant support levels. The price action around 1.3380 is crucial. A clean break below could signal a deeper slide, with some charts targeting levels closer to 1.33. And third, the market is defined by a conflict between this strong bearish momentum and the potential for a reversal from these key lower price levels. In conclusion, the pound is under pressure, but it's reached a critical decision point. While the bears have had the momentum, the bulls are waiting at key support levels ready to fight back. The next major move will likely be decided by who wins the battle for control right here. As always, trade smart and manage your risk.